That's right, friends. Today, we're going to go reach a high alpine lake in the mountains. But not only by myself, I've got the whole Crimson Off-Road crew with me right now. They scared the hell out of me last night. I thought I was being attacked by a Sam Squinch. So Malcolm, which lake are we gonna reach today?
Well, I found this one on the map. We should go check it out.
Yeah, it's time to get out of here, boys. I wonder what today will bring.
Let's go find out.
I wonder if there's gonna be any unexpected drama we'll have to deal with.
I hope not. It's just a pain in the butt.
Yeah, it'd be a damn shame if someone blew a CV.
Yeah, it would definitely suck.
We just made it to the trailhead. We're gonna air it down now. It looks like it's only 2 inches of snow, but I guarantee you it's 5 feet. What are you airing down to, Malcolm?
I'm gonna try 15.
Jordan, what are you airing down to?
Probably 18.
Oh, so you're airing up.
Yeah.
All right, that's good. And of course, we've got Tom.
Maybe 2 PSI.
2 PSI with street locks? You're a wild man. I didn't even bother to air down. We can stay at 20 PSI all day.
I don't know. I usually never do either. I'm just gonna give it a shot this time and see if it makes a difference.
Well, it kind of looks like it is. You just went up that hill.
Yeah, it definitely seems to be working.
Wow, this snow's getting pretty deep.
I know we might not make it very far.
I don't like your attitude right now.
Well, let's see how far we can make it at least.
Wow, you're really struggling in this corner here.
Yeah. What should we do? Should I keep going?
Yeah, hammer down. Wheel speed and bad decisions, bud.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, buddy. Let her eat.
Oh yeah, she's eating. We're making it. Yeah, boys, I don't think I can go anymore.
Okay, I'm just swinging to the side here. I'll back up, I'll bypass you. I'll take the lead.
Alright, sounds good. You give it a shot.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. I don't even think you're making it through the snow. You're just pushing the snow with you. You're like a snowplow. Yeah, you're leaving the smoke out on the snow. I can see. Turn it black. Back up and hit it again. Let's go.
I can only go as fast as I can, man.
You got the diesel. You got the torque.
Getting pretty deep, eh?
Yeah, she's thick, bud.
Look at that hill. Should we keep trying all night?
We should. Wow, taco power. We just realized we took the wrong road, so we're turning around right now. Yeah, it sucks taking the wrong road up, right?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. That kind of sounded like a CV. No, I think he's okay. I don't think he broke his CV.
The sand truck came up though.
He put sand all over the snow for us. Hey, he did it. Like a pro.
Yeah, we're supposed to take a left on the right.
Oh, of course, the old switch around there.
Yeah, my bad.
I've got a feeling today is going to be one of those days.
Guys, I think there's something wrong. I may have broken the TV shaft. I heard a crunch and now it's just clicking and kicking me out of the
You almost there, man.
Drive.
Almost. Let her eat. Yeah, that's pretty slick. That's not good.
That's normal.
Is it?
Oh, it'll be fine.
Malcolm blew his CV, so he's just gonna do a quick trail fix on the side of a mountain. Thankfully, it stopped hailing. It's gonna happen again pretty quick. So he's got his homeless shelter set up on top of his truck so he can change the CV. If you work for OSHA, mind your own business. Making jack stands! Hey Casey, is this a safety second kind of situation?
Just doing general maintenance on the side of a mountain while it's snowing. No big deal here, guys. Yeah, put 37s on. It's really easy to take off. Wow, that was super easy to take off. You didn't even lift it.
I have ice-cooled CVs. Make Vancouver Island wheeling actually fun.
This is why we have lifted trucks.
It makes it so much easier to fix your truck.
You've done this a few times, haven't you?
Oh, once or twice.
Hey. Okay, so what broke here?
There's my cage.
In pieces. You one going in? That only took you like 5 minutes. That was a really quick trail repair.
Well, yeah.
It takes you longer than 5 minutes to replace CVs. Give your head a shake.
This is pretty neat.
Mission impossible.
Hey, hold up, guys. Stuck back here.
Okay, turning around.
Yeah, I just slid out of the truck.
There he is, stuck.
What are you doing, Colin?
Well, if you come here, this blue taco, come here, friend, has a night switch, but I don't know if it's supposed to put it on 1, 2, or 1 plus 2. Oh, so on 1. Winch is 1.
1 plus 2.
Hey, Jordan, go a little back. A little bit more back. Left. Okay, Jordan, turn right.
Much success.
Oh yeah, no issue.
Finally, I can't wait to get to this lake.
Hey, Colin, I have something to tell you.
What?
Yeah, that lake, doesn't exist.
The lake doesn't exist? I'm so mad right now I could throw a rock off a cliff.
Then do it.
Okay, bye, friend. Yeah, so I guess we're gonna be making camp here. It's not the lake I wanted.
I don't give my locations away like a certain someone.
He won't even give them to me, and I'm hanging out with him. I'm expecting it to be minus 5 degrees Celsius tonight. For you American viewers, that means it's going to be minus 5 degrees Celsius. Because I don't deal with freedom units. Yeah, so there's not a lot of wood here.
Nothing.
We're moving the tacos right now, because the only piece of wood we could find here, without chopping trees down, because we don't do that. Don't cut live trees down in the forest, is this old piece of wood. So we're gonna chop it right there in the middle of the stump, and then both pieces will come crashing down onto the road below. If that's not overlanding, then I don't know what is. Jordan has volunteered to be our mountaineering arborist today. Are you certified to do that, Jordan? My man. Oh no, I hope you don't fall. Don't try this at home, kids. We're trained idiots. Perfect. Hey, firewood.
Delivered to your house.
We're gonna have a lot of wood.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, boys.
There's no chance I was gonna leave that piece on the side of the cliff. It's gonna get burned tonight. I'm really glad we found all that wood.
On the side of the mountain. Just look how awesome that fire is.
Turned out pretty good, eh?
She's coming down now, I tell ya. We might actually be stuck on this ridge tomorrow. If it keeps up like this tonight,
This will be our new home.
It's a blizzard.
But hey, that fire's looking pretty awesome.
sick. It's a winter wonderland out here. Morning, Malcolm. Looks like we're snowed in.
It's like 2 inches.
Yeah, it's enough to snow in a Civic.
That's true.
I think we should get out of here before a lifted Honda Civic can't get out of here.
I agree.
Yeah, it's getting pretty hairy out here. That was an adventure-packed adventure overlanding over the land, Malcolm.
It was.
It's a good thing you have that spare CV.
It is a good thing.
How did you know to pack that?
Oh, when you have an IFS, it's good to have one or a whole crate of extras at home.
Yeah, I guess it kind of helps since you're wheeling with 37s now on IFS suspension.
Yeah, maybe I should get some RCV axles or something.
Yeah, maybe you should. Maybe you should just sass it.
Yeah, I'll just delete the 4-wheel drive, then I don't have to worry about any of that.
Oh yeah, like do a pre-runner.
Yeah, those are good in the snow, aren't they?
Yeah, way to fool me, Malcolm. You lied to me about the lake.
It was there. It's just frozen. You couldn't see it.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay, smart guy. Crimson Off-Road does have a YouTube channel, and if you like these clowns clowning around like they did this episode, comment in the video, and they'll put more effort in their YouTube channel, because right now it's just wheeling music videos. There's no chatter, like me, the annoying guy on camera.
Follow us on Instagram, Crimson Off-Road.
But yeah, that's it for this week. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit Yeah, I think I can take a better line than what he did, because he ended up in the ditch.